What's good, y'all, man? We got Wolf Werewolf Transformation Scene. Wolfman coming out January 17th. You feel me? Next week? Yeah, next week or no, next 2 weeks. Yeah. But anyway, man, like it up, sub, hit the bell, and yeah. Wolfman. I'm trying to look at my headphones. My headphones right here. Oh, he transformed. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. That shit coming out of his ass. Oh, look at this bone switching. Oh, my goodness. Doggone crazy. Look at this bone switching. Oh, look at his teeth. Oh. Look at the nails coming out. Look at that. Oh shit. God damn, that just happened. Oh shit. Like they got a different person. Yeah, werewolf now. Dang, he see what he see, what we seen, what he see. That's kind of cool technique though. They did. Oh shit! Oh, this is another one. If anyone, man, like it up, man, we saw the transformation, man. How y'all liking it, man? How y'all digging it? You feel me? Let me know in the comment below, man. But yeah, like it up, sub. Yeah, peace.